So today I thought I would catch some of you up on the story of our little lake cottage, since some of you may not have seen previous videos where we explained that we bought this little lake cottage for $50,000 in 2017. It is a complete gut and remodel. It is a lot of work and we're doing most of it by ourselves. So let me show you. So this is the front of the house. It has not changed much since we bought it, except tearing off some wires and cables and cords that were here. We have more to take off and straighten out, as you can see. But anyway, so this window and this window are going to be replaced with normal size double paned windows. All of the siding will be replaced with hardy, and then there's going to be a deck that goes from here down to here. It'll come out about 8 feet. So that's the plans for the front of the house. Then when you come to this side, we've already replaced the hardy here. I'll put up a before picture to show you what it was before. There was a covered porch, but we tore all of that off because it sagged right here and you couldn't even open the screen door all the way. So this is what we've accomplished here, is to get all of the hardy replaced, and this window, which was like those windows, is now a normal size double paned window. Now that deck is going to wrap around from the front of the house and come around this way. These steps will be gone and the deck will lead up to the front door here. You'll then have some steps that'll be cut right here, and the steps will be right here. So that's going to change that. Then this is the hardy you saw us replace the other day. We have already replaced the window here. That'll be cedar shakes up there on the gable. Oh, I didn't show you that on the front of the house. So above the windows, this will all be cedar. It's all going to be cedar shakes, just like on the side of the house. When you come around this corner to where the air conditioner unit is, we've replaced some of this hardy here. That's where the window AC unit was. There's going to be a window almost right about here that'll match the other windows. Now there used to be a door right here. That's why there's dirt right there. We took that out, closed that in. We need to put some more hardy here. We didn't for a reason, and I can't remember the reason. So coming into the backyard. This is the back of the house. This is all getting replaced. This hardy, this window, which is almost a normal size window because this was the 1979 edition of our 1968 house. So this window will get replaced to match the other windows, and then all of this will get hardy. And like the other two gables, this gable will also be cedar. Then here on the side of the house, as you can see, the corners are exposed because the trim has fallen off. So anyway, this is all going to be replaced with hardy. This 1979 window is getting replaced, as well as all of the trim. This hardy's getting replaced. This window will not get replaced. It's the kitchen window above the sink. It will stay that. Oh, no. See, I'm wrong. Let me start over here. So this window is going to become a door. This is going to be a door. And that window down there is also going to be a door. That's my office. And there will be a door that comes out onto the deck. So the front of the house is there. And you'll come around that deck, and then this deck is going to come out, can't remember if we decided 10 to 12 feet. 10 to 12 feet off of the house. So there will be a deck that comes out here and comes all the way down to the corner of the house here, and this is where it will end. And there will be some steps that come off here, or a step down, so that you can go to the pergola. So door, window stays, and another door. As you can see, the siding just wants to fall off on its own. So Tommy needs to come out here and fix that, or we're going to have rot behind there more than we already have. That is the back of the bathtub, the back of the shower. Yeah, that's the bathroom. So anyway, and then we have already replaced the roof, but we have to do fascia and soffits. That's all got to be done. And anywhere that the underneath of the house is exposed, which this will not be because there will be a deck that comes out here, we're going to put up something along the bottom so you can't just go up under the house, so the animals can't. We haven't decided whether that's going to be lattice or some sort of stone looking stuff or what that's going to be, but we don't want it exposed like it is right now. The chickens like to go up under there, cats, raccoons, possums. We've had something living under our bathtub for quite some time, so we do want to get the bottom closed in somehow. So that is the plans for our little lake cottage. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.